Okay, I'm in room 566 at the Hilton New Orleans Airport. Downstairs is beautiful. It's a beautiful hotel until you get to the room. This carpet is probably 50 years old. As a Diamond member, this is the room they put me in. It smells old. It doesn't smell bad, it just smells old. There's the courtyard down there. And that's the view that I have. A little bit of the sunset. So you got the typical, fridges in there, microwave. It's a big room. Hopefully the bed is comfortable. But like you can see, wallpaper's peeling. And this is all the light you get. There's no lights in here, so it's going to be very dark in here when the sun goes down. You got your closet. Show the standard safe and everything is in there. Here's your bathroom. I don't see bath towels. There they are. Back here, so. Definitely dated. Looks clean as possibly can be, I suppose. Anyways, nice big room, just a little dated. Okay, a lot of dated. Okay, so I take it back. There's a couple more lamps that don't really do anything. We'll see how bright it is at night, but you got the desk lamp, which is super bright in one spot. And then you have this thing, gives a little bit of light. Most light in here is this lighted mirror in the bathroom. It's pretty funny, actually. right, I had the gumbo salad, $16, iced tea, and a piece of cheesecake. Total with the 20% tip was like $36, but the gumbo and salad was $16, not bad. But here's the room at night. So it is kind of lit up. It's not too bad. It's still pretty dark in here, but maybe if I turn the TV on, which I'm not going to do because I don't really watch the TV in the hotel. So, oh, interesting. That's what that light is. That light switch goes to this mirror. There's no lighting in the ceiling. Strange.